Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's gonna help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to tonight's watch list. It is Monday night and a lot has happened here. We are still waiting on, I believe it is Thursday, where Jerome Powell is going to talk more. He talked a little bit today, and what really happened was today is we did not get many plays. We only had one play here on Apple. We played Apple puts. We made 10%. I made personally 10%. You could have made well over that. I believe I had one student that made 70% and a couple of others that said their contracts could have made upwards of 90%, which is an absolute game changer when it comes down to your account. Now, do I recommend that? No. But let's talk about the plays that I am looking forward to and I have just recently purchased. So, to start off is Amazon. Amazon is the one that you guys know I've made a lot of money day trading this year, and I continue to day trade this one. I actually bought Amazon today on this downward trend. I bought Amazon puts when it comes down to this, because like I said before, when it comes down to swing trading, and this is a swing trade, I bought a month out. I bought OTM, which is out of the money for those of you that don't know options, meaning that I'm expecting it to continue to fall further. Now, with that being said, I am up quite a bit already on these Amazon plays. Now, again, there's a bunch of different things going on in this market. SPY, again, ran when Amazon couldn't even get over this high, which I thought was a big deal. It may not have been, but I did play off of that right there. Again, I'm only playing based off of my strategy. No, the support and resistance isn't, but I was watching it for a key thing this morning, and it never really broke above it. It got a little above it, and then it came back down and stayed in that area. So what we were looking for is that consistency, and like I said and told all my students, live trading when watching Apple and watching Amazon is when they broke out. They didn't break out to an extreme. Now, SPY did break out to an extreme, and congrats to the S&P 500. But when it came down to the actual companies, which I like to trade better when it comes down to options compared to SPY, is we got to actually watch this literally happen. And it made a lower high, and I told all my students, watch for the puts. And what happened was we ended up capturing, I believe it was from in here to in here, and it was just an absolute great play. So what I'm looking forward to in the future here is watching Amazon drop. NVDA, I don't believe is actually there yet when it comes down to this one. They're getting a little bit closer. I'm still not entering on NVDA. Now, I did buy some SPY puts. I believe it was last Thursday or last Friday. I can't even remember now, honestly. Some of them were up already. Again, we had this spike today, and then on this huge downfall, some of them actually started to become profitable. But with that being said, I think Amazon is the play here. That's the one that I'm really going to focus on. Do I recommend anybody to put all their eggs in one basket? Absolutely not. I would never recommend that to anybody. But am I having this play right now? Yes, I am big on Amazon puts right now, even though I do love this company and I do think they're doing great things. But like I said on Thursday's watch list, was that I think the market is in a state where it's more than likely going to continue to fall. Do I want it to? Absolutely not. I want everybody to understand that I would be willing to take the loss on these plays if the market just continues to keep going up. But for now, I'm going to continue to hit my strategy, and over the past month that I've been doing these free watch lists, I've gotten a bunch of messages showing that I'm over 90% accurate on these watch lists, guys. So be aware of that. Be ready for what's going on. Amazon is the only play that I really got for you guys right now. And if you guys didn't enter it today with my strategy, then I would have definitely be looking for it tomorrow on a big push up, or in the coming days on a big push up. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys all for watching. I'm going to keep this one super short, and I look forward to seeing you guys all in the morning.